The river is my dad. You know, the desert is my mom. Camping is you. Camping is where we go to hike, hang out, relax. For me, camping is just leaving all the technology for the most part at home, you know, and just sitting outside and listening to the birds and watching the squirrels and, you know, muskrat Susie and, you know, dart in and out of the bushes and having Sammy with us and doing the hikes and going fishing, even though we didn't catch anything because of the wind. And, you know, it's just it's so beautiful.
The wind isn't the reason why we didn't catch anything.
It was the wind.
My earliest recollection of camping, I think I'm a lot like you in the fact that my parents took us camping when we were real little, and in fact I think my parents had a travel trailer, a really small travel trailer, when we lived in Ohio, because I've seen the pictures. You know, like you, I don't have any memories, but I've seen pictures, and then we moved to California and we just did, you know, it's difficult as you get older. My dad was busy with work, and then I started acting at a real young age, and so you kind of lose a little bit of that time to take vacations and do that camping. So my earliest recollection of camping is actually with a friend of mine that I had known since I was 6, and I think I was probably 14 or 13 the first time I went camping that I remember, and that was we drove out to Bryce Canyon in Zion National Park, and that was a weird experience. We caught a flat tire in Barstow, and so had to change a tire, and then, you know, drove all the way out, and I just remember it being cold at night, but I remember laying out underneath the stars in Bryce Canyons, and at night just looking up, and just I mean, you can see the Milky Way, you know, and I thought, yeah, this is cool. We had a little stream that came out behind the tent, that went down through the campground, and it was summertime, so we spent a lot of time on that. It was, I think, more than a stream, because you could inner tube down it. You know, it was like a big babbling brook, you know, because it was like a lazy river. You know, you just get on a inner tube and just kind of float down and walk all the way back up to the campground. I've had a love affair with the mountains my whole life, and so that first camping trip was like, just kind of solidified that.
You know, it's beautiful up here, and, you know, but, you know, whether we camp, wherever sites we camp, I just love being up, you know, where the air is different, and the people that you camp around are always so nice and willing to share their food with you if you want. If, you know, everybody's so gracious, and they're just so nice. You know, it's really nice to camp. It's it's an experience like no other. And when we tent camped for so many years with the kids, we found that. And I want the kids to be able to enjoy this kind of camping with us too. You know, it's a completely different kind of adventure.